Out Show with me, Maren.
I'm Maureen.
So today we are going to be the topic we are going to be covering today. Essentially, if you're a twin or if you have a relationship with twins, I'm very sure you're going to relate with me.
Today we are going to be talking about some of the most insulting things a person can say to twins.
If not insulting, insensitive.
Yeah, but you may not always realize that you're insulting. Only we as twins can be like,
yeah, so you might even not even realize you're being insensitive.
So the first thing we are going to be talking about is, for example, when making comparisons, when a person meets the two of us, they'll often say, one of you looks fat and one of you is thin. You know, like I look at myself like we are identical, you know.
Exactly. And if someone tells you one of you is fat, I mean, fat, the word fat in itself, I mean, no lady likes to be told that way. So, like, I just find it insensitive.
Yeah, so maybe if you think one of us is fat than the other, you can say one of you is slightly thick.
Or thick is not even, I don't know how you can put it, but don't just
say fat.
Yeah, the second insensitive thing that people normally say, you know, for the two of us, we are identical twins.
Yeah.
As such, we'd like for people to refer to us as identical twins. There's no problem if I tell you, like if I say we don't really look alike, I mean, I don't mean it just to like encourage you to find a difference to differentiate us with. But I find it quite insensitive when someone just approaches us and says, you don't really look alike, like it hurts. I don't know why, but it does.
Yeah, and so some of the times you might find this person who brags that they know about you, the next day they are
confusing you, right?
Like for example, a person who used to do this to us mostly was our lecturer. I don't want to say her name, but she just know herself.
Yeah, I know, when you watch this, you know who you are.
Yeah.
Another thing people like telling twins, I mean, or rather people like asking is that which one of you is the bad twin? You know, or which that is natural. Some twins can identify to that because obviously there's the bad twin, but not everybody is bad, right?
Yeah. I mean that. I mean I don't
anyway, that one will choose to disagree.
That one will choose to disagree. But for me, when a person says you are the boring twin and she's the more fun twin, that is such an insulting thing to say because
how can you tell a human
boring?
Yeah, how can you tell a human being they're boring?
You know, between twins, there's the outgoing one and the more laid back one. Not
just
boring.
Ask who is more outgoing. You know,
I
mean, it's so insensitive. I mean, even the way it comes out of your mouth.
So
who's the boring twin? That is so insensitive, right?
Yeah. So another one is actually, and this one I encountered when we went for our first attachment.
So at a very big corporation, we won't say which one, but it's prestigious, it's respected.
Yeah, you know that. So anyway, when we went for the attachment, we met with a guy, and then he told us,
and he was
very serious.
He looked. We won't say the age, but
you look old.
Yeah.
So he said. And remember, we are identical twins, so he said one of you is 1,000%, one of you is 500%. So
we were trying to wonder, what do you mean by that? 500% and 1,000%. Okay, what does that mean?
I don't know, but if you know what he meant, or you might have an idea of what he meant,
you can just leave the comment.
Just leave your comment down below and tell us what you thought the man meant by 1,000% and 500%. It was so insulting.
Yeah. Another thing people like saying, and it's so insensitive. Maybe in the olden days, I mean, twins didn't mind, but nowadays it's so insensitive.
Yeah.
It's when you meet a guy and then they ask you, would you share a boyfriend? I mean, personally, okay, our views on this, I won't speak for anybody, but our views on this, I'd rather we just have separate boyfriends, right?
Yeah.
But okay, I'll give you an example of a situation when we were still on attachment. This one was also an older guy. Actually,
you know, when they ask you if you'd like to have the same boyfriend, some will even go further and ask you if you'd like to share something. You know,
to make an indecent proposal.
It's just so rude.
Yeah, that is what happened. So one day we had gone to work, attachment, and then this guy just saw us and he was so happy to see twins. Actually, people are normally happy to see twins.
I think he was on his mid-40s or something.
Yeah, he was above 40, let's just say that.
Yeah.
So this guy, we had a friend of ours, he was a guy, so we were going to eat at a common area in the institution. So we met this old man and he was very happy to see us. Actually, if you ask to take a picture with us, we won't mind.
By
exactly.
The way, it's true,
yeah, we'll just bless you with that photo. But now the insult came in when he actually just started being friendly. You know, there's nothing wrong in being friendly.
With that.
So
and then he asked, is there a problem if I sleep with
both of you? So he was
like an old man.
Yeah, he was like, I really love twins, and I would like to sleep with both of you. Now he was proposing a threesome.
So we told him that we are two different individuals first, and second, we even if we were in a relationship right now, we wouldn't sleep with you.
I would imagine sharing a bed with you and someone. No, right now we sleep together, but I wouldn't sleep with her and another person in that context.
I mean, it's just disgusting.
Exactly.
So the only way we had to get rid of this guy is by lying to him that the friend we had was one of our boyfriends. You know. So, but in actual sense, in actual sense, we didn't have a boyfriend, but it was insulting when he proposed.
But he just had to get rid of him.
Yeah, he was even telling us, or if it's uncomfortable with you, I can just come to your home.
And we were like, I want home. You know, so that was so indecent.
It was so indecent
and insensitive.
So as we just had to lie to him, our father was at home, and first of all, he wouldn't appreciate you, an old man coming to our home just like that, you know. So for this video, you guys, if you have twins who are your friends, you should just look at a couple of things you usually tell them, know which ones are insensitive, to say the least, you know. And then another thing that is normally insensitive, although sometimes I might like it, but sometimes it becomes annoying, is when you're walking with your twin sister and then all of a sudden people stop you, because in a day, like, people can stop even 5 people in a day. It's very common, strangers. And may I believe when you look at us, it's already that we are twins. Exactly. But they stop you with the sole purpose of asking, are you twins?
That is so annoying.
It's annoying. And you know, if you can't see, please just use your eyes.
Use your common sense. We don't mind you asking, but if you've seen we are twins, you don't need to stop us. We might be in a hurry. You don't need to stop us.
Someone might be dying and we are the only ones who can save their lives. And then you are stopping us with the mere question like, are you twins?
Anyway, so that's all we had for you for today. If you have a comment, if you have an opinion, please just remember to leave a comment there, and I will be more than happy to respond.
And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you can know when we are releasing our next video.
The good thing about our videos also, we'll be talking more about twin things and educating you more on our nature. So please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can know when we are posting a new video. Thank you very much.